All right, so some basic ladder etiquette. When you have multiple techs on a job coming up to a roof, there are a couple of things that you need to keep in mind. Say I have another tech here with me, and we are both gonna be going down one at a time. So I'm gonna go down first. Once I am on the ladder, my other tech, my partner here, is going to stand here and make sure that I don't fall, or if I do, that way they know, they can come save me, or they can call 911 if you've really broken something. I'm gonna go down first. The second tech is not even going to attempt to get onto the ladder until I am completely off on the ground and I say, hey, you're good to go. Because if I'm not fully down that ladder yet and they accidentally drop something, or if they start coming down, they slip, you have slippery boots because we've just cleaned the coils and then there's water up here, he's gonna slip and fall on top of me. We're both gonna get taken out. And it's the same thing for coming up the ladder. When somebody's going up the ladder, you wait until that technician is fully up on the roof, comes over and says, you're good to go. That way, if they're coming up the ladder and they're halfway up the ladder and you start coming up, they may drop a tool that's hanging from their pants or the belt may drop, knock you in the head, and you fall. Or they may slip, they may miss their footing, they're gonna fall, and gonna land right on top of you. So you would think that's just basic ladder etiquette, but it is an important safety information to know. One person at a time on the ladder, help each other out. And also having that second person up on the roof, when you've got a bunch of stuff that you need to get off of the roof, down, one technician goes down, ready to receive. Second technician stays up here and uses your rope system to rope everything down. That way you're not having to make a bunch of trips up and down. For those who haven't been up and down ladders all their lives, do it the same time every time. I always come in from the left side here. I'm gonna brace myself up here, reach across with one leg, get right on the top of the ladder, come down. I've got 3 points of contact, one up here, one down here, and I've got my foot. Always remain with 3 points of contact. Third is coming here, bringing my other leg in. I'm gonna walk down while I'm holding the top until I get to about chest level. Take my hand, put it on the top rung, and now you're good to go. So just a little bit of safety etiquette with ladders and multiple technicians on the site for you. That's it.